Hello everyone. In our previous question, we make our initial table. So our replacement ratio is 12 by 2, 6, 10 by 2, 5, and 10 by 5 is equal to 2. So in our replacement ratio, if we get the values of negative or 0 or infinite, then we ignore all this type of values. We consider only the positive values. So in our three values 6, 5 and 2, what is our minimum value? Minimum value is 2. Then our key row is this row. So a2 variable is leave, a2 basic variable is leave, and x1 variable is enter. So in table 1 we write cj basic variable, solution constant x1, x2, s1, s2 and a1. We can't write a2, हम a2 को नहीं लिख सकते because of if our leave variable, if our basic variable artificial variable is leave, then this variable जो भी artificial variable यहाँ से leave होगा वो variable next table में हम write नहीं करते हैं, उसको ignore करते हैं, ignore it. Okay, so in our upper side we write the coefficient of x1 5, x2 3, s1 0, s2 0, a1 m. Okay, because of all these values according to our objective function. And our column of basic variable in our initial table s1, a1 and a2, but a2 variable is leave and x1 variable is enter, then we write s1, a1 and x1. इनका सीक्वेंस आपको ब्रेक नहीं करना है. ओके, यदि इसका सीक्वेंस ब्रेक होता है तो आप हमारे सॉल्यूशन में एरर आएगी. सो in our cj column according to s1, the coefficient of s1 is 0, we write 0. Coefficient of a1 is m, we write m. Coefficient of x1 5, then we write 5. And our previous table, this is our key number, this is our key row, this is our key column. So 5 is our key number. So according to this table we divided by 5, this row divided by 5. So 10 divided by 5 2, 5 divided by 5 1, 2 divided by 5 2 by 5, 0 divided by 5 0, minus 1 divided by 5 minus 1 by 5, and 0 divided by 5 0. So all these values divided by 5 according to our key number is 1. So by default we write these two values is 0 0. की नंबर के ऊपर और नीचे जो भी वैल्यूज होती है आपको फर्स्टली वहां पर 0 0 रख देना है. गॉट इट. अगेन वी फाइंड द फर्स्ट रो. सो इन प्लेस ऑफ 12 मल्टीप्लाई बाय और की नंबर, जहां पर भी चेंज लाना है की नंबर को वहां पर ले जाके मल्टीप्लाई करो. तो 12 इंटू 5 60 minus 10 into 2 20, that means 60 minus 20 40, and 40 divided by key number so 8. So 8. Always we make the determinant form. Always आपको determinant form बनाना है. After that you solve this determinant and get the answer. Again in place of 4, so 5 multiply by 4. So what is the determinant? Minus 2 into 2 divided by 5, then we get 16 by 5. Again in place of 1, 5 into 1, so what is the determinant value? 2 into 0. So 5 into 1 5, minus 2 into 0 0, divided by 5, that means 1. The next value is 5 into 0 minus 2 into minus 1, that means minus 2, and again minus 1, that means plus 2. So 0 plus 2 divided by 5, that means 2 by 5. Again 5 into 0 0, minus 2 into 0, 0 divided by 5, then we get the value of 0. The second equation is 10 into 5, 50, minus 10 into 2, 20, divided by 5, that means 6. Again, the value of 2. 5 into 2, 10, minus 2 into 2, 4. That means 10 minus 4, 6, divided by 5. So we get 6 by 5. Again, 5 into 0, 0, minus 2 into 0, 0, divided by 5. That means 0. Again, 5 into 1, 5, minus 2 into 0, 0, divided by 5. That means we get 1. So then we find the value of ZZ. So what is the process of finding the ZZ? 8 into 0 plus 6 into m plus 2 into 5. That means 6m plus 10. Got it? 0 into 0 plus 0 into m plus 1 into 5. Then we get only the value of 5. Next value is 16 by 5 into 0 plus 6 by 5 into m plus 2 by 5 into 5. Then we get 6 by 5m plus 2. Got it? 1 into 0 plus 0 into m plus 0 into 5. Then we get the 0. Again, 2 by 5 into 0 plus 2 by 5 into 2m plus minus 1 by 5 into 5. Then we get 2 by 5m minus 1. And the last one is 0 into 0 plus 1 into m plus 0 into 5. Then we get the value of m. So this is our ZZ values. Again, next we find the ZZ minus CJ. This is our ZZ values and this one is our CJ values. So first we write the dash 5 minus 5, 0, 6 by 5m plus 2 minus 3. We get 6 by 5m minus 1. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 by 5m minus 1 minus 0, that means 2 by 5m minus 1, and m minus m equal to 0. So we have all these values are positive. That means Zj minus Cj greater than equal to 0 because of m is very large quantity. But in our question, Z is to be minimization form. So our Zj minus Cj always less than equal to 0. So again we make a table. So we write what is the enter variable and leave variable. So our question is minimization form, then the largest positive value, the column variable is enter. So 6 by 5m minus 1 and 2 by 5m minus 1, दोनों में से large value कौन सी हुई? 6 by 5m minus 1. So this is our x2 column. So x2 is enter. Got it? x2 is enter. If x2 enter हो रहा है, then another variable is leave. Another variable leave है होगा यहाँ से. So we divided. Find the replacement ratio. What is the process? Process is that the solution constant divided by our key column. So 8 divided by 16 by 5. We get 5 by 2. 6 divided by 6 by 5, we get 5. 2 divided by 2 by 5, we get 5. Okay, all these three values are positive values. In case यहाँ पर कोई negative, 0 या infinite होता, then we ignore this type of values and we use only the positive values. All these three values are positive, but see carefully. First value is 5 by 2 and second and third value is 5 5. There is tie between a1 and x1 variable. Got it? But we use only minimum positive value. So in this question, so you don't worry, you leave the S1 variable, okay, because of this value is minimum. But in case we use 5 because for example we get the value of S1 is more than 5. यदि S1 की वैल्यू 5 से ज्यादा होती सो ऑब्वियसली हमें A1 और X1 को यूज करना पड़ता, गॉट इट. बट यहाँ पर तो टाई अप हो रहा है, सो ऑलवेज in our tie for entering or leaving the basic variable और decision variable. तो मैं आपको इसके रूल अभी बताऊंगी after this our new session completed by this session. After that we start a new session. तो मैं वहां आपको बताऊंगी कि इसके क्या रूल होते हैं. So S1 variable is leave and X2 variable is enter. So our next table is what? Our next table is again we write Cj, Bv, solution constant, X1, X2, S1, S2 and A1. यहाँ पर A1 हमने क्यों लिखा है? क्योंकि आर्टिफिशियल वेरिएबल लीव नहीं हो रहा है. वेरिएबल कौन सा लीव हो रहा है? स्लैक और सरप्लस वेरिएबल लीव हो रहे हैं. तो यदि आर्टिफिशियल वेरिएबल लीव होता है तो हम उसको नेक्स्ट टेबल में इग्नोर करते हैं. लिसन केयरफुली. ओके, सो आवर की नंबर इज व्हाट? की नंबर इज 16/5. again we write in place of x1 we write the x2, a1 as it is and x1 as it is. So in this equation divided by 16/5 we get 5/2, 0, 1, 5/16, 1/8 and 0. So in place of 6, 6 multiply by 16/5 minus 8 multiply by 6/5 divided by 16/5 we get value 0. All these two values by default we write the 0 because these values according to our key number. So next in place of 0, 16/5 into 0 minus 6/5 into 1 divided by 16/5 we get 5/16. Again minus 3/8, sorry. Again 16/5 into 2/5 minus 6/5 into 2/5 divided by 16/5, then we get 1/4. Next value is 16/5 into 1 minus 6/5 into 0 divided by 16/5 we get value of 1. The last equation is 2 into 16/5 minus 8 into 2/5 divided by 16/5 we get 1. 1 into 16/5 minus 0 into 2/5 divided by 16/5 we get 1. This 0 is by default we already write here 0. 16 divided by 5 into 0, 2/5 into 1 divided by 16/5 we get minus 1/8. The next value is 16/5 into minus 1/5 minus 2/5 into 2/5 divided by 16/5 we get minus 1/4. The next value is 16/5 into 0 minus 2/5 into 0 divided by 16/5 we get value of 0. Then we find the value of ZZ. So what is the value of ZZ? ZZ value of find 3 into 5/2 plus 3 into m plus 1 into 5. Then we get 3m plus 25. Next value is 3 into 0 plus 0 into m plus 1 into 5 is equal to 5. Next value is 3 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus 0 into m plus 0 into 5 is equal to 3. Next value is 5/16 into 3 plus minus 3/8 m plus minus 1/8 into 5. So we get 5/16 minus 3m/8. Last second last is 1/8 into 3 plus 1/4 into m plus minus 1 by 4 into 5. We get minus 7 by 8 plus m by 4. And the last one is 0 into 3 plus 1 into m plus 0 into 5. We get only value of m. After that, we find the Zj minus Cj. The Zj minus Cj, first is dash, 5 minus 5, 0, 3 minus 3, 0, 5 by 16 minus 3m by 8 minus 0 as it is, minus 7 by 8 plus m by 4 minus 0 as it is, m minus m 0. So all these values already greater than equal to 0. That means we get Zj minus Cj greater than equal to 0. But according to our question, Z is to be minimized. Z minimization form में है. So हमें ये values क्या चाहिए? Less than equal to 0. So what is the largest value? Largest value is minus 7 by 8 plus m by 4, because of this m is positive and m is very large quantity. So S2 variable is enter. If S2 is enter, then which variable is leave? कौन सा variable leave होगा यहाँ से? Then we find the replacement ratio again. So this is our key column. We divided 5 by 2 divided by 1 by 8. That means what? 20. 3 divided by 1 by 4. That means 12. And 1 divided by minus 1 by 4. That means minus 4. So all these values are, लास्ट वैल्यू इज माइनस साइन, तो दिस वैल्यू को हमें इग्नोर करना है. ऑल दिस टू वैल्यूज, द मिनिमम वैल्यू इज a1 variable 12. So a1 is leave and x2 is enter. Got it? So our table 3 is, again repeat this process. So we get the table 3 is Cj, Bv, solution constant, x1, x2, s1 and s2. यहाँ हमने फिर से वेरिएबल a1 को नहीं लिखा है, बिकॉज ऑफ a1 यहाँ से लीव हुआ है. तो इन आवर बीगेम मेथड, इफ आर्टिफिशियल वेरिएबल इज लीव, देन वी कांट राइट द नेक्स्ट टेबल. आर्टिफिशियल वेरिएबल को हमें नेक्स्ट टेबल में यूज नहीं करना है. सो आवर बेसिक वेरिएबल सीक्वेंस इज x2, a1 के प्लेस पे हम क्या लिखेंगे? s2 and x1. So x2, s2 and x1. And what is the column of Cj according to these values? x2 coefficient is 3, s2 coefficient is 0 and x1 coefficient is 5. Again our key row is this and key column is this. So our key number is 1 by 4. So we divided by 1 by 4. So 3 divided by 1 by 4, 12. 0 divided by 1 by 4, 0. 0 divided by 1 by 4, 0. Minus 3 by 8, 1 by 4, minus 3 by 2, and 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 4, 1. So this is our key number. तो according to our rule, key number के ऊपर और नीचे जितनी भी values है, हम by default क्या लिख देंगे वहां पर? 0 0. Got it? So again find first equation and third equation. Process is same. जहां पर भी आपको चेंज करना है, आप की नंबर को वहां पर ले जाओ. और डिटर्मिनेंट आपका कैसे बनेगा? इफ इन द प्लेस ऑफ 5 by 2, so 5 by 2 multiply by 1 by 4. So what is our determinant? Determinant is 1 into 1 by 8. That means what? 5 by 2 into 1 by 4 minus 1 into 1 by 8 divided by 1 by 4. So we get the value of 1. Again 0 into 1 by 4. So what is the determinant value? Minus 0 into 1 by 8 divided by 1 by 4. That means 0. Next value is 5 by 16. So 5 by 16 into 1 by 4 minus 1 by 8 into minus 3 by 8 divided by 1 by 4. we get 1 by 2. And the last one is 1 by 4 into 0 minus 1 by 8 into 1 divided by 1 by 4, we get value of 0. The last equation is, in the place of 1 multiplied by 1 by 4. So what is the determinant? 3 and minus 1 by 4. So 1 into 1 by 4 minus 3 into minus 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 4. That means we get value of 4. So all these values, according to our process, we get 1, 0, minus 1 by 2, 0. Then we find the value of zz. So what is the value of zz? The value of zz is 3 into 1 plus 0 into 12 plus 5 into 4. That means what? 23. 0 into 3 plus 0 into 0 plus 5 into 1, 5. 3 into 1, 0 into 0, 5 into 0, 3. 3 into 1 by 2 plus 0 into minus 3 by 2 plus 5 into minus 1 by 2 minus 1. 3 into 0 plus 0 into 1 plus 5 into 0 is equal to 0. So we find the zj minus cj. So first value dash, 5 minus 5 0, 3 minus 3 0, minus 1 minus 0 minus 1, 0 minus 0 0. So our zj minus cj less than equal to 0, and this condition is satisfied our minimization question, because of if z is to be minimization form, then zj minus cj always less than equal to 0. Okay, so all zj minus cj less than equal to 0, thus an optimal solution arrived at with the value of the variable. So minimize z is equal to 23. So our x1 x2 is what? X1 is equal to 4 and x2 is equal to 1. So x1 is equal to 4, x2 is equal to 1, s1 0, s2 12, but in our objective function the coefficient of s1 and s2 is 0 and a1 and a2 यहाँ पर नहीं है, तो we consider the 0 value. So our minimize z is equal to 23. This is our final answer. Hope so आपको ये समझ में आया होगा. In our next session I will continue the tie of the variable, tie of entering or leaving the variable. Okay.